Welcome. In front of me is a LEDGER Nano S, and today I'll show you how to install the Etherum wallet to the Ledger. So obviously I'm already in the application in my Ledger right here, so I could instantly click on install, but assuming you haven't found that, I'm gonna assume you haven't downloaded the application. So all you need to do is basically go to the Play Store and download Ledger Live. That can also be downloaded on the iOS as well, and additionally on a computer. That can be any kind of operating system, Android, Linux, Mac, it doesn't matter. So anyway, from here you will navigate to the application. From there, manage, and select your ledger, which for me is right at the bottom here. And once it opens, you then want to find Etherum, obviously. Now it looks like the Ledger application does sort all the coins based on popularity or value. I'm not exactly sure what one of those two. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all those are basically right at the top because, well, they're probably the most used. So anyway, from here select install, and this will start installing Ethereum wallet to the Ledger. Now additionally, if you already have a bunch of wallets installed, keep in mind that this device only has about a total storage of 144 kilobytes, and each one of those wallets does weigh anywhere from like 2 kilobytes to I believe over 100 kilobytes. As you can see, Ethereum has 50, Bitcoin 40, so you won't be fitting that many up here. And once it installs, you can find it right here, third icon right there. So it's already on the device, but as you can see, application does give you a pop-up that you also need to create an Ethereum account. That is because you just installed a wallet, but that wallet basically has nothing behind it. It's just, it can accept Bitcoin, but it has nowhere to accept it to. It needs an account number, which you just select here, add account, and this would basically create an account which you can then assign to this ledger and then transfer funds over to it. I'm not going to go over it, so I'm just going to close it. And yeah, that would basically finish up installation of Ethereum wallet. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.